So today, I'm going to be giving you the introduction to the strategy module. What I'm going to tell you first off right now is that it's really important to keep the strategy to yourself, because as time goes by, what's going to happen is you're going to learn how to enter the token and how to exit. And when that happens, it happens very quickly, okay? The token, in just 1 hour, these are the north candles, you can see that the token has lost 61% in just 1 hour. So it's important that you keep the strategy that you're going to learn to yourself, because if everyone knows about it at the same time, then you're going to end up with profits that are getting smaller and smaller. And here, you might have succeeded in using my technique. You entered using technique Sniper, you managed to go up, you weren't aiming for a 10x, but it's difficult not to get it, and you were maybe aiming for a 9x, you see? And if people take your technique, in fact, it's going to make a lot of people capitalize at the top, because we always want to say exactly how to exit at the top, and you'll see that later in the module. So the goal here, everyone should be capitalizing at the top, obviously, and we should all have the same strategy. But there won't be more strategies, in fact. It's going to cause a big dump, as you can see right there. And this is on Dex Screener, but it's the same thing if we go onto the exchanges. We go up, and you'll see, we're going to exit. Now, this is what I'm going to call Technique 2.6. So the sheep, they are them. We are the lions. Okay, the lions are going to take the gains using the strategies. I'm going to set it up for you, and it will tell you when to exit. So you're still going out there as a lion with 31 times your stake. The important thing is that you keep the strategies to yourself. People who are in the AI program have their strategies. The profit technique, it used to have a win rate of around 80%. Now it's below 75%. Why? Because people have shared the techniques amongst themselves, and the technique works less effectively because people know when to exit. And everyone exits before everyone else. And then there's a bit of a fight, and the gains become smaller. Now, the 85% win rate technique is working very well, but it's never as advanced as the AI technique. And this technique is going to remain here for you. It's the latest technique, the most up-to-date one. And also, this technique is going to be found in the future. So I have a program that's starting this week, which is the future.